In this lesson, I'm going to teach you on how you can be able to upload your video to YouTube so that it can be accessible from any point of the world. Now, the first thing to do is to start your browser, which I've started, and then you go to a Gmail account, and you can see I'm typing gmail.com. Then I press enter. Once the browser opens, I should be able to sign in, so I enter my password and I sign in. So once I sign in, I open another tab. I go to www.youtube.com, press enter. Can be able to open, so you can be able to see several points here, several parts of the YouTube. If you look at the center, near the center here, after this search button, you can be able to see upload. If I click on it, it will give me an option to upload my video. So you can see here, you can be able to change the privacy, but really we don't want that. If you click on this, it opens for you. It, and then you can be able to search for your video. Of course, mine is on the desktop, so I can upload it. So I have it. Where is it? Yeah. ICT for eKenya. You can see the way I've given it a name. So I select it and I click open. You can be able to see it is uploading. My internet is okay. Then I can be able to explain what exactly that video should be used for. For instance, I can say for use in teaching class 1 pupils about triangles, and then I say this is not a self-study lesson, but a teacher guided lesson. I'll check on the errors. Can confirm that, and then you can be able to share. You want to share, so for now I don't want to share, then I can be able to add another video. You can see here your video will process faster if you encode it to a stable file, but you ignore that. Then you just say okay. So what you need to realize is that the changes are being saved automatically. If you look at this point where I'm pointing using the cursor, the video is going to be saved automatically. So after that, you just leave it to upload. It will show you 100%, and then from here you can be able to use this link to share on maybe Facebook and other sites. So you can copy that, copy the link, go to your Facebook page, for example here, and then you can be able to share this and click paste. So Facebook will look for the lesson that you shared. You can see that it is already there. And then use to integrate ICT. Then you can be able to post. That's okay. Thank you for listening to me, and that is how you upload YouTube videos. You can be able to see here there's a green light, means that I've uploaded my video. And then now if you go to YouTube, if you search it, for example, ICT OE Kenya, you search, you can be able to see the videos that have been uploaded to YouTube. So you can be able to see the videos that appear there. So it looks like mine is not appearing yet. So you can click on videos so that you can separate. and then you can see people who have uploaded various lessons. Thank you.